Hello again, this is Robert Veach here, and this is my video review of a Sincerely Nuts brand sunflower seed kernels. Now these are raw, they've been shelled for you. This is a huge 5-pound bag. This bag is so big I can't even fit it on my studio table without having the edges of the table show up. Unbelievable. This is delicious, antioxidant rich snack, excellent source of protein and fiber. Has a ton of vitamins and minerals, and is vegetarian and gluten free. This is called the superfood. Raw sunflower seeds are one of nature's premier superfoods, meaning they're made up of complex bioactive blend of fortifying nutrients. And because these are raw, they've never been roasted, you're getting the maximum amount of health out of every serving. They're loaded with vitamins and minerals. You don't need to take expensive multivitamins. Just use this with your regimen of food and you'll be all set. Now these, on the ingredients you'll see, it has copper, magnesium, selenium, manganese, phosphorus, folate, vitamin E, and vitamins B1, B3, and B6. So you're having a healthy snack when you have these. They could be used on salads as a topper. I use them when I make homemade potato bread. I add this for extra protein, and they're absolutely delicious. Now I'm going to show you a simple way to use these and to bake them with minimal oil. Then you could add your own spices to them. So you can make your own slightly spiced, slightly salted, roasted sunflower nuts. And they're absolutely delicious. I'm going to demonstrate that. I'm also show a close-up of what they look like. So here you can see what they look like, the texture of them, and you see they're all shelled and they're not cooked in any way, so they're all in their natural state, allowing you to make custom flavored roasted sunflower nuts if you like, or use them raw in your recipes, your bread recipes, or as a salad topper, or just snack on them. They're absolutely delicious. So here I'm going to show you a simple technique to roast your sunflower seeds. As an example, I have a half a cup here. And you could use one of these inexpensive coffee grinders to take your spices and grind them up so that they're in powder form. Works really well. So I have a blend for barbecue that I already made. And it basically is basic barbecue ingredients: onion powder, red pepper, paprika, sugar, cornstarch, and puts it in nice powder form. And we're going to show you how you put that on the seeds. So take a pan. This is just a stainless steel pan, and take your spray oil. Just spray a light coat on the pan just like that. Take the seeds, put them on the pan. Spread them around. You want to get it as flat as you can. Of course, you can make more. I'm just giving you an example of a half a cup. Once you have that nice and flat like that, into a light spray coat on the top, then preheat your oven. You don't even have to preheat it to 350. We're going to put that in, and I'm going to show you want to monitor it really closely, because you want to look at the color and you want to remove them as soon as they start to get brown. You want to put them on the middle rack so that they're not too close to the heat source, so that they won't burn. As I mentioned, we're going to be monitoring to make sure that we don't burn them, and they cook pretty fast. Okay, so that's browned. Now we're going to take them out. Now before they totally cool off, you want to take your mixture and just lightly put a little coat on the top. Doesn't take much. And then get a tool to move it around. And that's it. Now you have delicious roasted flavored sunflower seeds. And you can put whatever flavor you want. You just put the salt, you can put anything you want in there to give it a nice flavor. Just grind it up and get it to a small size, and it'll work perfectly. So what's my overall opinion about the huge 5-pound bag of Sincerely Nut sunflower seeds raw kernels? I love this product, as I demonstrated how you can roast them and add spices to them. This is a huge value on Amazon for what you get for the price. This is a very high quality, and I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating on my channel. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icons here to alert you to new video uploads. And if you like this review, please hit the like button. I hope the information I presented helped you with your buying decisions. Thanks for watching.